Just go home, get the ammo ready, get the bazooka, get the 50 cal ready, get everything ready, because it's, when we come into game 4, we know that we got to shoot our gun, we got to shoot our shots, and we got to do it with an aggression. And defensively, we got to continue to do the things that creates that separation for us. When we're playing against them, they shoot a lot of tough threes. They really rely on their three-point shot to create that separation for themselves offensively, to play with a comfortability. But we just got to stay positive. And for me personally, again, I'm just going home, just dusting off the tools and just getting ready for a tough game 4.